like me, your goal is to create an additional income stream that will pay you in dollars, then come on this journey with me. My target for 2025 is to earn at least $1,000 weekly or monthly for beginners. After some research, I realized that this is possible with Forex trading. Have you seen how much people make trading Forex? Okay, this video is for complete beginners to Forex trading. I mentioned in my previous video how this is a journey I am currently embarking, and many of you asked as I carry you along on my journey. Morning cheerleader, gotcha. The beautiful thing about learning from a newbie like me is I get to teach you in ways you can understand, unlike the expert, and we get to learn together. See, if you're looking for a get rich quick scheme, my dear, die that thought. Die it. Okay, with Forex, you can actually make good money in short time, but you need to learn the skills first because it comes with a lot of risk. Risk management is key. First you learn, then you earn. This video will be in 3 parts. First, you will learn the basics of Forex, then you will learn the tips and tricks to win in this space, and then thirdly, the fun part, I'm going to share my screen and walk you through how to create your account and fund your wallet using the Octa platform, my all-time favorite for trading. Watch to the end because by the end of this video, I'm going to link you up to the beginner-friendly Forex trading course I'm currently undertaking to ensure I hit my $1,000 per week goal. You'll be getting the course training for free. See, 2025, you can't be a member of this community and not smash your money goals. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Welcome to the family. I am Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, but most importantly, your new trading buddy. Let's get into the video. Part 1, what is Forex trading? But before we even get into that, why did I choose Forex for my $1,000 per week goal? It's simple. Number 1, it pays in dollars. Number 2, low barriers to entry. I don't need millions to start. In fact, with the Octa platform, with as little as $20, you are good to go. And again, unlike other skills where I have to be hustling with other millions of Nigerians on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to get jobs that pay in dollars, I can utilize my trading skills from the comfort of my home and make good money. With Forex trading, I call the shots. You like the sound of that? Follow me on this journey. So, what is Forex trading? Forex trading means Forex exchange. It's basically like exchanging one currency with another. You are capitalizing on the strength of a currency to make money. Think of it like this. If you've ever traveled out of the country and exchanged your naira for dollars, you've participated in the Forex market. The difference is this: with Forex trading, you are not buying and holding the physical dollar. You are doing this online. I'm trying to make money based on how the currencies move in value. For instance, if you think that the US dollars will get stronger than euros, you can buy dollar and sell off your euros in anticipation for the appreciation. When the value now goes up, you sell and make a profit. On the other hand, if you think the value is going to drop, you sell yours before that happens. You always want to buy the stronger currency and sell the weaker one. You get it now, Abi? That's just Forex trading. It's not as complicated as you think. Is Forex trading the same as crypto trading? No. Unlike crypto, where you buy the coin, with Forex trading, you are capitalizing on the exchange difference. Part 2, here are some things to note as a beginner in Forex trading. Whatever you are trading has to be paired with a currency. Whether you are trading currency, gold, oil, it has to be paired. That's why you see it's usually listed in pairs. So you have the USD card, which is like the US dollars against euros. Like there is the USD card, which is the US dollars against Canadian dollars. There is the Euro card, which is euros against Canadian dollars, or the SAUSD, which is gold against US dollars. So with the pairs, one is the base currency and the other is the quote currency. USD, which comes first, is the base currency, the currency we are acting upon, whereas card, which is the second one, is the quote currency. So if you choose to buy USD now, it means you expect it to rise in value. Another thing to note as a beginner, when looking at a Forex chart, you see the ask and bid. Ask is the buy price and bid is the sell price. These are some of the basic things you need to understand before starting your trading journey. Trust me, the more you spend time learning, the easier it gets. The training I'm currently learning with is like a live show. It's by Octa. You will see how a newbie like us makes our first $1,000. Before the end of this video, I will share the link with you so we can all learn together. Now to the fun part, account creation. To start your Forex journey, you need a broker. For me, I use Octa. One thing I love about Octa is they're not just about trying to get you to trade. They are actually interested in you learning. They are big on educating beginners like us. They have free courses, demo accounts where you can practice to perfect your skills without using real money. And the platform is super easy to use. So I will share my screen now and walk you through the account creation process. So go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Octa trading account, download it, click on open, create Octa trader account, then you configure. Now you see real and demo accounts. The beautiful thing with Okta is that you get a demo account. This gets you started. You can do all your mistakes, all your learning on the demo account. You are familiar with the platform. I'll tell you this, if you know the capital you think you can afford to use on a real account, use that on a demo account. I know some of you are not going to be putting millions that you do not have because you are using a demo account. What would happen is when you get a real account, you may find it a bit uneasy adjusting. So it's better you use the actual amount you know you use on a real account. Although to make real money, you have to switch to a real account and fund your wallet. Let's continue. So yeah, this is the demo account. You can put the initial virtual balance you want. How much do you want to start? You can see leverage, right? Let's talk on leverage briefly. So leverage is something you will hear a lot in your trading journey. It's an advantage the broker gives you to open more positions. It's like multiplying what you already have. For instance, now if you have $100, you might have the ability to trade with $1,000, even $10,000 on your $100. But without leverage, you can only buy and sell with your $100. But as a beginner, you have to be careful. It's like a double-edged sword. The same way you can make a lot of money from leverage, it's the same way you can also lose money. Don't be greedy. Risk management, stop loss to the rescue. Me, I keep it between 1 to 100. So when you're now ready for a real account, right? Please let me adjust my leverage. 1 to, let me put it at 100, right? Done. I want to show you how you can fund your wallet. Now, how much in currency is USD? Open real account. It's loading. Hoop, 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 hoop. So you see all of these. Don't worry, in the journey we are going to learn more about this. So let's say you want to fund your wallet. That's the first thing to do. To fund your wallet, when you come to accounts here, just click on this. You will see deposit, withdraw and transfer. With Okta, with as little as $20, you can start your journey, right? So let's fund $20. So when you click on deposit, it will open up Nigerian bank account, instant bank transfer. So click on instant bank transfer. How much do you want to fund? You can see instant bank transfer, minimum of 30,000. So you can put 30,000, or let's say you want to fund with 100,000 naira. That's like $50-something, right? So you now go down there. You pick the bank, choose your bank. I want to fund from Access Bank. Confirm. Copy amounts. So it brings you here. You have to, look at the terms and condition. Tap on this thing. Please take note, you can only transfer the exact money. If you say you're going to transfer 100,000, that is the exact amount you're going to transfer. And the account is only once. Do not save or reuse it. So if you're fine with all of that, click continue. Now, this is the account you are going to transfer to. This Wema account you are seeing. Just copy it, go and do the transfer. Automatically, it's going to credit you on your wallet. And that's it. You are ready to start your trading journey after you've learned. If you ever thought about trading Forex but feel intimidated, I hope this video has shown you that it is possible to start and then build up as you learn. As I continue to learn, I hope to keep updating you on my journey. You can equally share your progress with me. The next step is for you to download and sign up on the Okta platform. I'm going to leave the link on the description. Use the link to sign up and use my promo code Jennifer100 to get 100% bonus on your sign up capital. And then to join me on my learning, I'm going to drop the link to the training I told you about. It's a free training. I'll also drop it in the description so that you can follow and learn more. It's beginners friendly. Let's learn together. No, darling, $1,000 per week income is loading for 2025. With Forex, it's possible. Let's pursue it together. Go to the description now for the sign up link and remember to use the promo code Jennifer100 to double your capital.